A is twice as good a workman as B, and together they finish a piece of work in 28 days. If B does one man work, A does, together does, with 3 men, if they can complete work in 28 days, in how many days A alone can finish? With 3 men, if they need 28 days, M1 D1, A's efficiency 2 men, with 2 men efficiency, how many days they need? M cancel, 2, 14 times, 14 3s, 42. A is twice as efficient as B, so A does 2 times that of B's work. A started the work and after 6 days, he was replaced by B. B then worked for 9 days and then left. If A and B together finish 70% of the total work, in how many days B alone can finish the whole piece of work? Right. A worked for how many days? To complete this work by B, B need 12 days because A's efficiency is 2 times of B's efficiency. Correct? So this work, whatever work done by A can be done by B in 12 days, and after that B worked for 9 days. So total 21 days. And what is the percentage of work completed? 70% of the work is completed by B in 21 days. 100% of the work can be done by B in how much? How much? 30. 7 3s 21, 10 3s 30. A is thrice as efficient as B. So if B does work with 1 man efficiency, A does the same work with 3 men efficiency. A started working and after 4 days he was replaced by B. See, A worked for how many days? The same work can be done by B in 12 days, right? Yes or no? Right. 4 days of A's work is equal to 12 days of B's work. Next. After 4 days, A was replaced by B. B then worked for 15 days and then B left. So total work done is equal to how many days of B's work? 27 days of B's work. A and B together finish what percent of work? So 75% of the work can be done by B in 27 days. 100% of the work can be done in how many days? Can we take 75% as 3 parts and 100% as 4 parts? 3 how many times is 27? 4 9 times? 36. B completed 75% of work in 27 days. 100% can be done in 36 days. Clear? 18 men can complete a piece of work in 13 days. 27 women can do the same piece of work in 8 days. What is the respective ratio between amount of work done by 26 men in 1 day, amount of work done by 36 women in 1 day? If 18 men can do it in 13 days, 1 man can do it in 18 into 13 days. How many men work you are supposed to take? 26 men work is equal to 26 by this much, and 1 woman can do it in 27 into 8 days, because 27 women can do it in 8 days. 1 woman can do it in 27 into 8. Now how many women we need to take? 36 women. How many times? 2 times. 2 how many times? 9 times. 9 3 times. 3 12 times. 4 3s 2s. Ratio 2:3. A can finish a piece of work in 45 days. He worked alone for 9 days. In how many days B alone can finish the same piece of work? Right. See, A alone can do it in how many days? A alone worked for 9 days, and after that with B 16 days. Total 25 days. 25 days. Out of? Then still how many days of A work is there? 20 days of A work is there. Yes or no? Who completed 20 days of A work? B. In how many days? In 16 days. So 16 days of B work is equal to 20 days of A's work. Yes or no? Right. Can I take both the ratios? 4:5. A alone can complete the work in how many days? 45 days. 45 days of A's work is equal to how much? 45 days of A's work, which is equal to how many parts? 5 parts. 1 part is equal to 9. Then 4 parts is equal to 36. So 45 days of A's work is equal to 36 days of B's work. 8 men can complete a piece of work in 15 days and 12 women can complete the same piece of work in 10 days. How much work will 12 men and 15 women together complete in 4 days? Let's first calculate 1 day work. 8 men can do it in 15 days. 1 man can do it in 8 into 15. How many men are there? 12. How many days they are working? That is 12 into 4. This is work done by men. And 12 women can do it in 10 days. 1 woman can do it in 12 into 10. How many women are there? 15 into 4. See, when you observe, denominators are common, right? 120, 120. Denominator is 120. How much is this? 48. How much is this? 60. 48, 60? 108. What is difference between numerator and denominator? 12. 12 how many times? 9 times. 12, 10 times. 9 by 10. A can finish a piece of work in 24 days. B is 20% less efficient than E. If A's efficiency is 100%, B's efficiency becomes 80%. B started working alone and after few days, A replaced him. A replaced. A did not join. A replaced by B. Right. Now, if A could finish the remaining work in 8 days, for how many days B worked? A alone can complete the total work in how many days? 24 days. Now, A completed remaining work in how many days? 8 days. Yes or no? That means 16 days of A's work is done by B in some number of days. Am I right? 16 days of A's work where A's efficiency is 100%. This is done by B with 80% efficiency in how many days? 20, 4 times 20, 5 times 4, 4 times 4 into 5, 20. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 7.5 days. 7.5 can be written as 15 by 2. BC together can finish it in 12 days. C and A can do it in 8, 4 by 7. That is 60 by 7 days. Right. LCM? LCM? 60. Yes? Right. If AB can do it in 15 by 2 days, per day they can complete 8 units. 60 by 15 by 2. Yes. Right. BC can do 60 units in 12 days. So per day 5 units. C and A can do 60 units in 60 by 7 days. Per day 7 units. Yes or no? Right. First 8 units of work is done by AB. Next BC. Next CA. If we add all those units, 8 units, 5 units, 7 units, how many units we are getting? 20 units? Yes or no? That is done by 2A, 2B, 2C. So ABC can do 10 units. To complete 60 units at the rate of 10 units per day, how many days they need? 6 days. PQR have to type a document of 368 pages. P can type 1 page in 8 minutes, Q in 18 minutes, R in 24 minutes. If they divide the document into 3 parts so that all of them spend equal amount of time to finish it, what is the number of pages that R should type? See, number of pages that they can type will be directly proportional to their efficiency. Yes or no? Right. So P can complete it in 8 minutes, whereas Q can do it in 18 minutes, R can do it in 24 minutes. This is time, but we want efficiency, right? Can we go for units method and 1 day work concept? Yes or no? Right. LCM of 8, 18, 24. Come on. 72. Yes. 8 how many times? So 9 times 18, 4 times 24, 3 times. So PQR can complete 9 units, 4 units, 3 units. This is their efficiency only? Yes or no? And you are asked to calculate number of pages that R can type. Yes or no? Right. Total number of units? Total number of units? 16. 16 parts I can take. And R, 3 parts. PQR. R can type 3 parts. 16 parts is equal to 368. 3 parts is equal to how much? But I don't even need this. That is the next step. Okay. You know that you need to calculate number of pages that R can type, which is 3 parts or 3 units, should be which multiple? How many 3 multiples are there? Fifth option, final answer. 10 men can complete a task in 30 days. 10 women can complete the same task in 45 days. Can I interchange number of men and days? So first statement can be taken as 30 men can do it in 10 days. 30 men can do it in 10 days. And second information we can take it as 45 women can do it in 10 days. In both the cases, 30 men and 45 women are doing it in 10 days, same number of days. Hence, efficiency of 30 men will be equal to efficiency of 45 women. Yes or no? Cancellation with 15. Tell me simplified form. 2 men efficiency is equal to 3 women, because 30 men efficiency is equal to 45. Cancellation with 15. Are you done? Right. Now convert entire equation. 6 men and 9 women can do it in how many days? Right. If 2 men is equal to 3 women, 6 men is equal to 9 women. Already we have 9 more women. Total 18. So if 10 women can do it in 45 days, 18 women can do it in how many days? 9, 5 times, 9, 2 times, 2, 5 times, 5 5s, 25. 10 women can do it in 45 days, 18 women can do it in how many days? Is this 5 multiple? Is this also 5 multiple? 5 multiple should be 25 multiple. Right hand side you don't have any 5 multiple. Answer should be 25 multiple. No more cancellation, answer 25. There are 2 5s. 2 5s means which multiple? Don't tell me 10. 2 5s in the sense 5 square. Yes or no? 5 multiple and 5 multiple. 25 multiple.